Welcome back, and now we're gonna go through the section of schema and structured data. So what are schema, markups, and structured data? These are just additional markings, additional markups that you can provide in your website. So these are basically codes and markups that you can provide in your WordPress website to search engines saying what this content is about. What it does is it provides you or gives you an opportunity to showcase advanced information on search engines. Let's look at an example. If I were to search for, let's go back to Google, SEO press reviews, right? Let's go back, search for that. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines with the star rating, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the pros and cons, which is a new feature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 lines. You see what I'm going with, right? It's pushing more things down and down. So it's taking a lot of real estate, and real estate in search engine is super important. It's just like land, because you increase the prospect of getting clicks because you're pushing the competition down, right? So in our case, same thing. If we compare 1, 2, 3, 4 line versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, that is extra real estate, right? And also there's a lot of things going on. So there is pros and cons stuff going on. There is a star rating, there's author, and there's price. So that's what schema markup does. It adds more features and functionality. Again, let's go back to our slide. Why is cool is, of course, it got more real estate. Of course, it helps with brand visibility. And in the beginning, when the star ratings came out, a lot of people thought it was so cool and unique, increased the click-through rate. It does. Like if my author, if my name, if my personal brand is very popular, and people know me through YouTube videos or whatever else marketing communication, they know that I wrote this content, so it increases click-through rate. Of course, it's going to be relevant because if this is a review article and I put 5 ratings and now people want to know why did I review and give it 5 star, then it's absolutely more relevant. We talked about occupying more real estate. Also, it shows if the brand keeps on popping up all the time with these markups, it shows that, oh shoot, this brand knows a lot about a specific content topic or area. So it's got this authoritative feeling about it, and also it kind of helps rank for other things as well. Like it sends signals to Google that this website might be talking about a particular subject topic. So it gives all sort of signals to Google, and that's really important. So throughout this module, we're actually going to learn quite a few things. We're going to learn how to implement these. So learn how to implement schema markups, right? And again, it increases your Google rankings and click-through rate. Very true. But we're going to use the SEO Press plugin to implement structured data. We're going to try to research how other people have implemented structured data, try to reverse engineer, reverse hack, and try to do the same thing for our content, right? I will walk you through how I have set this up, and also I will walk you through how I have set this up dynamically so that every time I create a post, I don't need to manually enter the data. If I change something on the post, it automatically updates the schema markup. So just like the titles and metas, we're going to look at how we use custom fields from custom post types or normal post to edit and change this data dynamically every time. Okay, so meet you at the next lesson.